Team Umizoomi, Santa's Little Helpers. It was Christmas Eve. The stockings were hung and the tree was decorated. Team Umizoomi was ready for Santa to visit. "I can't wait to see what Santa brings," Millie said. Suddenly, the Umi alarm rang. Someone needed help. Bob had a message on his belly screen. It was from Santa Claus. "Help, Team Umizoomi," Santa said. "My toy machine stopped working and we still need to make 3 more toys." "If the machine isn't fixed," Bot said, "Santa won't be able to deliver all the toys tonight." "We need to get to the North Pole and help Santa," Geo said. "The best way to get to the North Pole is on a reindeer," said Geo. "I can make one with my super shapes. We need 5 triangles, 1 trapezoid, and antlers, super shapes." "Glittering gizmos," Bot shouted as Team Umizoomi flew through the air on the reindeer. It got colder and colder. Snow started to fall. At last they landed at the North Pole. "Look," said Millie, "there's Santa's workshop." Santa welcomed Team Umizoomi into his workshop. "Thank goodness you're here," he said. "The toy machine is broken and we still have to make a sailboat, a dollhouse, and a fire truck." "Don't worry, Santa," Geo said. "We'll fix this machine with our mighty math powers." Then he and the rest of the team climbed into the machine. "To fix the machine," Bot said, "we have to know how it works. Let's check my super robot computer." The computer told Team Umizoomi that the first section of the machine was filled with buckets carrying toy parts. The next section was a magic duster, where the parts were put together. The last section wrapped the toys. "Let's fix this machine," said Geo. Team Umizoomi found the parts of the machine with the buckets. The conveyor belts were stuck and the gears weren't turning. Geo looked at the buckets. "First, we have to find the buckets with the parts for a sailboat, a dollhouse, and a fire truck." Team Umizoomi looked, and they found the parts. Bot emptied them into a tube that was striped like a candy cane, and the machine started to work again. "Now, let's find the magic duster," Millie said. The team quickly found the magic duster, but none of Santa's magic dust was coming out. "We have to fix the duster," Bot said, "or the last 3 toys won't get made." "Look," Millie shouted. "Those instruments play a special song that makes the dust come out. But one of the instruments is missing. I can fix this with pattern power." "The instruments are supposed to make the pattern jingle bell, trumpet, trumpet. Let's see which one is missing." Millie studied the machine. "A jingle bell." Millie replaced the missing bell and the machine started puffing magic dust that put the toys together. The sailboat, the dollhouse, and the fire truck were finished and they rolled into the wrapper. Robot hands wrapped them in brightly colored paper. "Hooray, Team Umizoomi!" Santa's elves cheered. "You made the last 3 presents." "Let's get these presents to Santa," said Geo. Team Umizoomi ran to Santa's sleigh and put the last 3 presents in his sack. "Thank you," Santa said. Then as his sleigh flew into the starry night, he called out, "Merry Christmas!" "I feel a celebration coming on," Bot announced. Team Umizoomi and the elves danced in the snow and cheered.